ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಭಾಷಾ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್. ಸೊ ನಾನಿಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಕ್ಷೇಮವನ ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು 2022 ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಆಗಿನ ಹೊಸದಾಗಿ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ಲವ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಸರೌಂಡೆಡ್ ವಿತ್ ನೇಚರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ನೈಸ್. ಸೊ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸಿಂದ ನಂಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ ಇತ್ತು, ಬಟ್ ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ವೇರಿಯಸ್ ರೀಸನ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಅಕಂಪನಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಒಬ್ಬಳೇ ಬೋರ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಅದು ಇದು ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ ತಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಐ ವಾಸ್ ವೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ 2025 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಅಲೋನ್. ಸೊ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲಿ ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಕನ್ಸರ್ನ್ಡ್, ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಏನು ಕತೆ, ಇಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ಆಯಿತು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿಲ್ ಐ ಗೆಟ್ ಸಮನ್ ಟು ಟಾಕ್ ಟು ಆರ್ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ವಿತ್ ಪೀಪಲ್, ಅಥವಾ ಓವರ್ ಆಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಇತ್ತು. ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ನೈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್. ಈ ಸತಿ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಟು ಮೀಟ್ ನ್ಯೂ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ಶುಡ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಮೈ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್. They were very personalized, except especially Dr. Ruby and Dr. Bhuvaneshwari. And they were so good and they would explain body alli enen aagta ide. They would check my BMI and then tell me about the variations and what is required and how can I make my overall health better. So when you are in your daily life as a Bangalorean, it's quite normal to eat anything and everything, and you know, your online food ordering and your lifestyle, everything being unhealthy is the new normal. So I think when you're planning for a getaway, instead of going to any kind of resort or partying or anything, weekends or when you have long holidays, you can just get here. You can rejuvenate like entirely, and it's an overall experience where your body feels good, your soul feels good, your mind is refreshed, and you can get back to your normal life with a better mentality of living. In fact, nim teenagers maneyalli yaradru idre, now if you give them that pioneer of living in a certain way wherein they can actually eat healthy and live healthy, it will go on for a long run, and it would also be a way in which you can prevent them into getting into habits like alcohol or anything that's not good for them. They would be conscious about what they're eating, and there is this quote that a moment on your lip, forever on your hip. So it is a thing that you can think about later. So if you put that into your kids at this place, it would be a good bonding time. It could be a very good opportunity in which your kids are actually getting a better future and a better health, where they're actually, you know, holistically thinking about the present living. And about this place, must say it is well maintained. It is so clean and the staff is so good. No matter how the crowd is, even if it's like the craziest day, they would still have a smile, shock you with all their joy and happiness, and they would personalize their services according to your needs. Like it could be massages or acupuncture or physiotherapy or anything. It may be the smallest of things, like suppose a lot of people ಇವಾಗ ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, B12 ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗಿದೆ, ವಿಟಮಿನ್ ಡಿ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಲೈಕ್ ಪ್ರೋಟೀನ್, ಫೈಬರ್ ಏನು ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ ಫುಡ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಅ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಪೇನ್ಸ್, ಆರ್ ಇವಾಗ ಓವರ್ ಫಿಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇರೋಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಯು ಗೆಟ್ ಲೆಗ್ ಪೇನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಟ್ರೈಂಗ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಫಿಟ್. So you can just come here weekly or monthly or whenever you have time, 1 week, 6 months, according to your comfort. And at time early you can just figure out what is the actual issue by getting like a proper diagnosis of whatever is going on in the body. So apart from that, must say food was good. ಇವಾಗ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಓವರಾಗಿ ಖಾರ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಿಂತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ, ಯು ಮೇ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ excitement when you eat it, but eventually when you're here for 7 days, 10 days, 15, 20 or anything according to your comfort, you'll actually start understanding that food is not all about spices. It's about the kind of essence it has. Yella kade when you enter the food court part of Kshemavana, you can also see when you eat food like medicine, you need not actually take medicine, and it's like that good for your body. You'll actually understand the value of what you're putting into your mouth, like the nutrients that you're putting in. And instead of just focusing on the flavors, which is also there, not lying, there are foods that are having flavors and everything, and they personalize it to your health and your preferences. So that's there. But what you realize is, you get to understand the kind of flavors that it holds and how you can personalize it even after you go back home. Because I've seen a lot of centers in which they're just giving you a certain kind of medicines there, and once you get back home you are craving for so much food that you eat something so bad, and your weight, your overall health just boomerangs into like million times, or you actually increase weight or go bad. So here they actually train you. You have health talks, you can swim, you can do anything. And health talks actually creates a community where you're talking to people about health. So it's always in your head that yes, there are alternatives which you can do as soon as you get at home as well, and maintain the same until your next visit, or you can just plan. And the doctors are so good. They would actually talk to you on daily basis, especially my
Yoga?
Yoga was damn good. You have dynamic yoga like in morning 5 o'clock, and eventually you actually are so excited. You wake up and you go to that yoga. You just wake up and go, and you're like, I'm waiting for the yoga session. And you have obesity yoga, and when you have back pain, and there are they call you sadhakas, because here you almost control all your 5 indriyas. So it's the actual definition of being a sadhaka, and they refer to you like that everywhere, because here they are connecting your mind, soul, body, and everything, and especially the tongue. And once your tongue is in control, everything aligns. So yes,
Would you like to recommend this?
I would always recommend Kshemavana to everyone. And every week my friends have been visiting me, my family has been visiting me, and my friends really want to get here, like in groups, or even if they come alone. The therapists here are so good, the staff is so good, and people here are like so jovial that you will eventually connect and you won't feel alone. Like you can just come here and stay and enjoy. And yeah, it's a very good alternative to going to any kind of resort, because the ambience is so good, the pool is so good, and it's clean air. So I would recommend anyone to come.